Hey everybody, my name is Juvandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juvandy, and today's video, if you can tell by the title of it, it is me about to start my MICROLOCS DIY journey. And I am doing this myself because I was calling around a few places, and to start my MICROLOCS, it is going to be very expensive. And I figured I do my hair anyway, so why not just start this journey by myself. And as you can see, my hair is dirty because I'm about to wash it. So I wanted to get on camera real quick before I washed my hair. And I did 2 test locks already, just so I can see what size I want. And I wanted to also measure my hair before I wash it, because obviously, you know, you're going to get shrinkage. So I have my hair somewhat detangled, but I pulled out these 2, and I'm using this tape measurer that I have, and I measured it already, and it said I have about 8.5 inches. So let me just do it right again on camera so you can see. So this is my hair all the way down, and it stops right here, which is so my current length in the back is 8.5 inches. I am gonna do the sides and see, just so I know what my starting length is with my locks, and I can do like a monthly measuring and update. So okay, so the front is actually 8 inches. Alright, so this front piece is almost 9 inches. It's just a hair off of 9 inches. And then back is 8.5 inches. The side is 8. The middle is 9, and the front is 9. So that's my starting point for my hair. So it's give or take 9 inches total, depending on, I guess, the shrinkage and whatnot. So yeah, my head is 8.5 to 9 inches long. I like it. I'm trying to figure out, like, do I really want to do this now? Or like, am I gonna miss my hair? I don't know. But anyways, I am gonna wash my hair, so I will be using the Kenwood clarifying shampoo. And my staple shampoo is the Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe. This is what I use all the time. But for this wash, I'm actually going to use both, because my scalp does get really flaky. I want my scalp to be as clean as possible, and I will be using as little product as possible. The place that I was going to get my hair done at, they will use this gel, and I was trying to avoid having like twist or lock gel in my hair initially, because I am doing micro locks, so I want to have as less buildup as possible for this. So I decided to do it by myself. So I just got done washing my hair, and as you can see, my hair is in 6 big plaits. So that's gonna be how I'm gonna be basing my parting for my hair, and I'm gonna go in with my tea tree oil and oil my scalp, and then blow dry my hair. That way it's easier when I'm making the parts for my locks. I was trying not to get my hair not too bone straight, but I want it to be easy at the root. That way when I'm parting and making my sections, I can, since I'm doing it myself, I wanted it to be a lot easier. So this is why I'm doing this step right here. And at this point, I'm done, and I was starting to regret it. Like, do I really want to do this? Because my hair looks so good right now, but I know how my hair is. I'm gonna get like tired of it and dealing with it. So I'm just like, no, this is the best thing for me. And I'm gonna do a video explaining why I decided to lock my hair. So stay tuned for that. So I started off with the front of my hair, because I mostly wear my hair in half up, half downs, and I wanted to make sure I get the front perfect before I started focusing on the back, because I can't really see the back, and if I did the back first I would have lost interest and be like, you know what, I'm not doing this anymore. So I did the front first, and I parted that into two, a middle part, and then I made sure I had my side part down packed. Now I'm going in with the back, and I have the back section in 4 big sections, and then I'm going to divide each section into rows of 3. That way it can help with parting and sectioning and making sure everything is at the same size. So whatever I do for the right side, I do for the left side as well. And as you can see, I have my 6 sections in the back. They look big here right now, but we're gonna get it all sorted out, don't worry. And then those 2 puffs on the top, I'm gonna come back after I'm done the back. Alright, so my front is done and my back is done. So now time to work on the middle of my hair, and I did this section last because my hair is thicker in the middle and I didn't want to get tired and then start going bigger, because I wanted to keep my locks all at the same size. Plus my hair was blow dried, so that meant my hair was thinner, but once, you know, it goes back to its natural state, I didn't want them to be too big in the middle, so I decided to do that middle part last. And here you can see me twisting. I'm just doing a regular 2-strand twist, and while I'm twisting the hair, I'm also twisting the strand so it's tightly holding in place. And my hair is thick, so I didn't have to braid the ends of my locks for this. I know some people that have thinner hair did braid their microlocks at the end. Alright, now I am done with the middle parts, and I have again my 3 rows, and then I'm gonna do that and then come back and show you my final look. Alright, and we are done. So this install took me about 1 to 3 days, because the first day my parting was off, so I stopped and I kind of started again, and then the second day I had my mojo and I'm like, okay, let's keep going. Third day I knocked it out, finished it. But I'm gonna explain all of this in my second video, so stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna tell you what issues I ran into while I was doing this install and everything. But just enjoy the look of my final look, the final install of my locks. And yeah, look at the parting in the front. I made sure I focus on that very, very well. And yeah, that is that. I'm just gonna put my hair in a half up, half down, because I like to wear my hair like this, so I wanted to make sure like I could accomplish that look, and like, you know, it would look cute. I mean, right now it's not my final, you know, texture of my hair, but I was trying to like feel it out, and I felt so relieved at the end of this install. Like at first I thought I would have regretted it, but I'm in such love. Like I love my hair like this. I feel free and happy. So stay tuned for the pictures now. Alright, and this was my hair 3 days later. I did go back in and make some of the locks smaller, because again the middle of my hair does get thicker, so I went through and did that. And yeah, this is the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button on your way out, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of my DIY micro locks. And also follow me on Instagram at it's Juvandy, because I will be posting my updates there as well. And yeah, have a good day, guys.
We never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah. Everybody bless. Mess up one hand in the sky, the other on your chest.